In an anxious moment when you find your favorite player taking a decisive kick, your heart starts beating faster. And regarding this faster heartbeat, we have already discussed in the previous video where does it start and who is actually controlling it. You can find it in the I button. So in this video, we will discuss about a real life scenario. Okay. And this sudden faster heartbeat is actually stimulated by the hormone adrenaline. In sports, fight or flight like situations, we call it adrenaline rush. So, how does it happen actually? Let's find out. So, here in this photo, we can find two players of opponent teams are trying to win the ball. One in blue and other one is in red. So, when a player is running behind the ball, his heartbeat increases. Along with it, more oxygen enters into his lungs. And also, this adrenaline is having an impact on the stored glycogen in the liver as well as the muscle. So he gets the energy. Okay. So after getting that energy, he is performing in the stadium. Now the question comes, how does it happen? Actually, we see and our brain is witnessing everything. Okay. So the signal goes from the brain to the adrenal gland. And adrenal gland processes adrenaline hormone and it goes into the bloodstream. And that stimulates the SA node, okay, to heart to beat faster. But in a situation when your favorite player already scored, that brings the time of euphoria. In that moment, you feel that your heartbeat is getting a gradual decrease can be seen. First thing. Second, you won't feel that pain even if you are injured. That is also some chemicals are also involved here. But these are all controlled by autonomic nervous system. And two systems are working under autonomic nervous systems, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic is responsible for increased heartbeat. That is a fight or flight situation. But after the event, when the heart starts to decrease, heartbeat starts to decrease, that is a parasympathetic movement. Okay. So after the match, we can find in the moment of euphoria, you can find the hormone dopamine that gives you the pleasure, the happy hormone. And also, you can find endorphins. Those are the natural painkillers. So you won't feel that pain immediately after any accident. You won't feel the pain at that spot. So subscribe more for such videos.